Today we're going to Thailand. Well, not really. We're just going to pack for a trip to Thailand on this episode of Beyond Your Socks and Undies. You know the drill, we'll start with the basics. Don't forget your passport, your wallet, some local currency, a toothbrush and toothpaste, a hairbrush, soap and shampoo, a raincoat, a hat, sunscreen, a camera, a water bottle, insect repellent, comfortable walking shoes, cool comfortable clothing, a quick dry towel, electrolyte tablets, sunglasses, and a backpack, not a suitcase. At GAdventures, we like to dig a little bit deeper and give you the most essential information for your destination. We don't just want you bringing what you need, we want you to bring the absolute best version of it. If there's one thing you need to know about Thailand, it's that it's hot, almost year-round. Even during the cooler months, the temperatures are in the mid-20s and still very high humidity. To get the most out of your trip to Thailand, you're going to want to make sure you keep as cool as possible. Choose light linens, cottons, and quick-dry performance fabrics, and let your skin breathe and wick away the moisture. Avoid dark colors too. And if you choose open-toed shoes, bring a pair that's good for walking. And don't forget, if you're showing any skin, cover it up with sunscreen. Okay, so what's a quick dry towel? Like we said, Thailand is hot and often humid. A quick dry towel is made of special fibers that get from wet to dry faster than you can say, "One bowl of cow soy, please." We're definitely not going to stop talking about how hot it is in Thailand. And the high heat and humidity means that you're going to sweat a lot, which means you'll be at risk of becoming dehydrated. Yes, that means you should drink water, but there's more to hydration than just H2O. Flavored electrolyte tablets, which you can find at drugstores as well as outdoor living or camping stores, help your body hydrate more efficiently than just plain drinking water. If you'd rather not buy them or just can't find them, make sure to drink plenty of water while you're in Thailand. Like, a lot of water. Basically, don't stop drinking water. And that's it! This episode of Beyond Your Socks and Undies is brought to you by the GAdventures Gear Shop. Our world deserves more you, and you deserve more cool stuff. Visit GAdventures.com/gearshop to check it out. Thanks for joining us. Our world deserves more you, and we hope you feel a bit more prepared to bring yourself to it. Bon voyage!